is setting a new standard for road safety. These hubs are not just parking lots. They are strategically positioned in Dubai's most critical industries. RTA is utilizing a public-private partnership, Triple P model, opening the doors for both local and international investors. This is a huge opportunity for private companies to jump in and contribute to the design, operations and long-term maintenance of these facilities. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a massive development in the UAE's transport sector. The topic is about Dubai RTA Truck Rest Hubs project. This is not just a construction update. It is a total logistic and safety upgrade for the region, announced by the Roads and Transport Authority in 2025. This initiative aims to build a world-class network for organized rest areas for heavy vehicles by tackling the issue of random highway parking and modernizing our transport infrastructure. Dubai is setting a new standard for road safety. In today's video, we are breaking this down into three key pillars. First, the logistics and infrastructure plan. Second, the economic and safety impact. Third, the project timeline and partnerships. So, let's get into the topic. First topic, logistics and infrastructure plan. First up, let's look at the where and what. These hubs are not just parking lots. They are strategically positioned in Dubai's most critical industries. We are talking about locations like Jebel Ali, Dubai Industrial City and the High Traffic Emirate Road Corridor. Each hub is being designed as one-stop shop for truckers, featuring their high-capacity fueling station, on-site repair and maintenance services to keep fleets moving, diverse food outlets and rest zones for drivers, and specialized loading and unloading areas. This best part is every single square inch is being built to meet the highest international freight standards, ensuring Dubai remains a cutting-edge player on the global stage. Second topic, economic and safety impact. But why does this matter so much? Well, the scale is massive. These hubs are designed to accommodate over 1,000 trucks at any given time. This will drastically clear up congestion in our busiest logistic zones. Beyond the numbers, the human impact is even more important. By providing a dedicated space for drivers to recharge, they are directly reducing driver fatigue, which is leading cause of accidents, eliminating dangerous illegal parking on odd shoulders, and ultimately lowering the risk of road incidents for everyone. This initiative is perfectly aligned with Dubai's smart mobility strategy, reinforcing the city's reputation as a premier global hub for freight and logistics. Third topic, timeline and partnerships. Now let's talk about how this is getting built. The RTA is utilizing a public-private partnership, Triple P model, opening the doors for both local and international investors. This is a huge opportunity for private companies to jump in and contribute to the design, operations and long-term maintenance of these facilities. As for the timeline, things are moving fast. The first phase is on track for completion by 2026. This rapid rollout shows just how serious Dubai is about upgrading its transport backbone. Here is the conclusion of the video. To wrap things up, the Dubai RTA Truck Rest Hub project is a game changer. It is a triple threat initiative that elevates logistic efficiency, road safety and driver welfare all at once by ensuring smoother movements for goods and safer conditions for drivers. This project is undoubtedly going to give a major boost to Dubai's entire transport ecosystem. So, what do you think about these new hubs? Do you think this will solve the highway parking issue for goods? Let me know your thoughts in our comment section. Thanks for watching.